Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we have something special in this box. If you want to up your audio game and your audio quality, if you're a vlogger, if you're a documentary shooter, or anything like that with content creation, this right here is what you want. Let's dive right in. Right here we have the DJI wireless microphone, and the reason why I actually opted to get this one is because it's a wireless microphone. Let's see what's in the box and see if this is the right product for you. Alright, so here's the DJI wireless microphone. As always, DJI never disappoints. I actually have the DJI gimbal, which I can show you guys right now. Like I was saying, DJI never disappoints. This is the DJI RS3. This gimbal is a great gimbal. I've used it for a couple of client work. Most of the stuff isn't on there, but I just wanted to show you guys. I do have some DJI products. All right, so DJI, I really love their packaging. They never disappoint with the packaging either. It's sleek, well designed, and basically shows you everything you need to know. So let me just unwrap this. So this is the contents of everything here. This is the 250 meter transmission range, dual channel recording, up to 14 hours of onboard memory, portable and compact, wide compatibility, 15 hours of battery life. This thing is great. It can connect to Android and iPhone, if you guys see that right there. So we're gonna unbox this. This is where you open it here. You can actually, look at that, they give you a little pull tab. Boom. Pull that open. And this is what the package looks like. In the box, they give you the charging case, receiver, 2 transmitters, carrying pouch, hot shoe adapter, windscreen, 2 of them, mobile phone adapter, lightning and mobile phone adapter Type-C, camera to audio cable that goes to the receiver, 2 magnets on the device itself, and a charging cable. Let's see what this box has inside of it. Ooh, all right, so this is the first box and this is the second one. Look at this. This reminds me of Apple. Nice paper right here. Here's the star of the show, the DJI wireless microphone. It's already blinking, it's already turning on. It automatically turns on. It links by itself, which is dope. This is sick. It actually shows you the battery life of the case. It shows you the battery life of each of the receivers and the devices. Let's see what's in this box here. This is the carrying pouch. I'm gonna throw this away. Boom, this is the DJI carrying pouch right here, which is dope. This is actually really nice. It's not like all the other wireless microphone sets where they actually have a slightly hard case, but this can go thrown in the camera bag with all the wires and cables that you need, and that's it. That's all you need. Let's leave this open for you guys. Here is the first cable here. I'm pretty sure this goes from the receiver to the camera itself, so it can actually transmit wirelessly into the camera itself. And we have this cable here. This is the USB-C cable to charge the device itself, and the charging port actually is right here at the back of the device, which is dope. And we have windscreen number 1, which from what I saw, these documentary filmmakers, they actually cut down this dead cap basically, so it's not so much, you know. They just cut it down just a little bit and basically make it more sleek for when they're outside. So it comes with 2 of them. You can see these are like the connections where they go. Let's see if that'll zoom in for you. Boom, we got this right here. Dead cat number 1, dead cat number 2. All right, we put those over there, and that is it. Now we go into the contents here. This is just manuals and DJI's quick start guide and everything like that. It just basically shows you how to pair it and link it to your phone and shows you where to put it. So we are definitely going to be taking this device out right now. This is the actual mic itself. It is tiny. This is actually really small, which is actually pretty cool. It has the microphone right here, so when you're inside, you don't need the dead cat. And it also has a headphone jack port where you can actually put a lavalier microphone. Unfortunately, this DJI mic does not come with the lavalier microphone. You actually have to buy that separately, but it's no big deal. They're probably like $30–40, and you can get that on Amazon, which is pretty cool. Right here is the magnet that we have been talking about from earlier, which is really nice, and it sticks on there. I'm trying to pull this off. I'm really trying to pull this off. Wow. Here's the magnet, and we're gonna be definitely showing you guys what the result is with these microphones without changing anything. Okay, so on the body of the microphone, we have some user-friendly controls. There's a power button to turn it on and off right here. They have the record button, so whenever you are recording on, you know, the wireless transmission, basically you can hit this record button because it has an internal 8 GB of recording. So it's basically like a backup file on the device itself, just in case you go too far, which you shouldn't be going too far. If it disconnects or breaks up or anything like that, it actually has its own built-in 8 GB of audio that you can record. Now we're gonna go to the receiver. This is a compact piece of equipment that easily attaches to the hot shoe mount or tripod if you really want it to. And it connects the mic wirelessly, providing you with real-time audio monitoring. Now we are going to be talking about the features that it has. It has a lot of features that I haven't even checked out yet, but this is just the basic features that I could see. It has the mono, has the receiver gain, it has the volume for the headphones, and all the transmitter settings and the settings for everything else. It has a low cut feature, transmitter gain, record stop lock, auto record, vibration notification, LED brightness, the receiver gain, and the channels. Also has the brightness, the link device, the brightness, language, factory reset, your version, and compliance info. Okay, so now we are back in the original position that we are at the beginning of the video. And this video, I'm actually using my Rode wireless microphone, the original one that was like $50. I bought this in like 2016, around there, and it was actually mounted on the top of the camera, but actually now I'm using the cable to connect it from the camera to the microphone so I can have it in my hand. So this is the microphone you guys have been hearing me use the whole video. So we are actually going to be moving over to the DJI wireless microphone. I'm going to be getting it out right now. We're going to be using this DJI wireless microphone right now, and when I switch over to audio, I'll let you know exactly when I switch over. Okay, so now we are using the DJI wireless microphone, which is really cool because this microphone is actually, let me move back, is actually on my chest right here, which is really dope. From what I've seen, this microphone is very helpful for hands-off, hands-free recording, which is really cool. So I'm actually gonna walk off of the frame, and while I'm walking, I'm actually gonna show you guys the wireless capabilities. I'm actually in my room right now, just pasting around. There's walls that are gonna be basically trying to intercept the transmission of the audio. How it is, I can actually go do something real quick and come back to the camera, which I'm on the way right now back to the camera. So this is actually pretty dope. This mic is impressive. I actually really like this mic, and I'm actually excited to use this microphone. You can hook it up to your smartphone. You can hook, if it has a 3.5mm jack, which all computers do have that, which is really cool. I can use this for live streaming. I can use this for vlog. This actually will be really dope for vlogs because I'm used to having this microphone connected to the top, and I could actually show you guys right here. This is how the microphone usually is. Boom, let's take that off. This is how the Rode Video Micro is, and it goes right onto the top of the camera, and you record yourself like that with the vlog. And I'm always having to make sure that the audio is good and all that. With this DJI microphone, everything is seamless. The receiver's up top. We have the box right here that's always has a charge. You can just charge it right there in the box, which is dope. Take this along with you just like AirPods. I carry AirPods with me every single day, which is this is seamless right here. This video is not sponsored by DJI or not sponsored by anyone besides me. I actually bought this microphone with my own money so I can use it for client work and YouTube videos like that. If DJI, if you want to sponsor me, that would be great. I can review a lot of products. My boy has a drone and we can review that drone as well. All right, so this is the end of the video. This is the DJI wireless microphone system. This microphone is beautiful. If you guys do have any questions, put the comments in the comment below and I can answer all your questions for you. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next review video. Peace out. This is actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh.